Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Plankton on Dress to Impress. This is the non-VIP version, so hopefully everyone can do this hack. So press E and then just select like a yellow color, like this one. And then we're going to get these like leggings and we're going to color it. You can either choose this green or this green, totally up to you which green you want to use for Plankton. I'll use this one for now and we'll see throughout the video which one I like better. Unfortunately you can't like toggle the like wheel now, so you're just gonna have to go with these greens. So obviously you're gonna get the hot dog costume and you're going to color it that, and I'm going to select these like boots and I'm just going to again color it the same. Then for the like two horns, we're actually just going to use this one and again color it the same. And then lastly for the eyes, we're going to use a camera. I know it's not the best for this look, but like hey, for a non-VIP version, I think it's pretty good. You're just going to color it red. And that's it. Now you can be Plankton even if you don't have the VIP one. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!